sometimes that's how things turn out, guys. Sometimes, you know, you just need to wait until you find the perfect bag for you. Welcome back to my channel. So I don't know about you guys, but I am very much in the mood for summer. I don't know if you've seen my recent vlog. I thought, hey, let's just go around, look for the perfect summer bag. I have to be honest, it was quite difficult. I thought, because I did a little bit of research, especially into Celine, and I was like, you know what, I think it's my time, finally. You guys know I've been eyeing Celine bags for so long now. I don't know how many different types of Celine bags I've tried on. First, I thought I fell in love with the Triomphe. I mean, they have so many beautiful variations of that bag. And then, I don't know, I did so much research recently, guys, into the Celine basket bags, and they're made with palm leaves, and I just love that, and it's like an extra natural material. And guys, I don't know if you've had a look on the Celine website, but the prices for that basket bag, it's gonna blow your mind, because it's like £490 for the small size, but the small size, I tried it on, is large enough. It's a nice little beach bag, you know, where you can throw your sun cream and a little towel and a water bottle in and a brush and anything you need, basically. And then the large size, I tried that one on as well, and it is £520 only. I was super hyped. I went online as well. I mean, you know, whenever I fall in love with a bag, I love to watch YouTube videos on it, and I watched so many videos on the Celine Panier palm leaf bag, and I got butterflies, and I noticed that I slowly fall in love with the bag. And then in my last vlog, I went to actually try it on and touch it in person, and I was totally underwhelmed. I was like, this is not so good. The butterflies were dead. The search kept going. I also thought that I wanted a backpack, because I don't have a backpack anymore. I sold my Chanel backpack to a friend. And so I was like, okay, I really like the look of the Celine canvas. I know it's just very similar to Louis Vuitton canvas. Yes, like the color scheme is the same, obviously. It's not so much in your face like Louis Vuitton monogram canvas, because it doesn't say Celine or anything. It's just like the Triomphe logo, basically, but it's still a monogram canvas, you know. Even with that one, I watched YouTube videos, I watched shorts, and I was totally underwhelmed when I actually tried it on in person. And yeah, so I was like, oh god, what do I do? So I need a summer bag, because we're going to Tenerife soon. So many of you always understand that I say Tel Aviv, and you're super worried about me. I just want to clarify, I say Tenerife. It's one of the Canary Islands. From so many different people I got like messages, no, Romina, don't go to Tel Aviv, and I'm like, no, it's Tenerife. It's one of the Canary Islands. I know I responded to all of you, but I found it hilarious that so many understood the same thing. I know I have my accent and everything, of course, but yeah. I saw a couple nice Prada bags, actually. Celine has a wide range of beautiful summer bag, but I don't know if I was willing to pay Celine prices. Like, I think only the Panier bag was a good deal, because I'm still on the verge of, do I need a Celine bag in my collection or do I not need one? Then I went on Farfetch, guys, and I got distracted, guys, because I love the pre-loved section from Farfetch. Oh dear, did I find the most beautiful Chanel dress ever? And I was immediately like writing Jessie and Jacob, and I was like, guys, is this not me in a Chanel dress? And the price was like £1,600. It was like, you know. And then literally within the 2-hour time span where I thought about it and I messaged Jacob and Jessie and I waited for their responses, within that 2-hour time frame somebody else bought it. And I was like, so congratulations whoever bought it. You know, if you ever see that video, I'm very happy for you. But I was like, oh, you know, I got so close to. I mean, if you've seen my recent haul, I got a lot of really nice designer dresses that I love very much, and I can't wait to wear them now in spring and summer. But then I was on Farfetch and I kept scrolling and I came across the brand I've never come across. Well, I know they exist, and I'm so sorry if I butcher the name. I think it's called or pronounced Ermanno Scervino. It's an Italian brand, and you know, in Harrods I've always walked past them and they have got beautiful dresses. So I scrolled through all the new collection, and guys, I don't know about you, but this pink dress, like totally, I fell in love with it, and I checked and it's £13,000. So I was like, okay, let's keep scrolling. Absolute dream fairy tale dress, but £13,000 for a little summer dress. I don't have like a big event or anything coming up soon, so. But even their casual stuff is so amazing, and I was like, oh wow, do they do bags? And I saw on Farfetch that they do bags, and I have fallen in love with the most gorgeous bag, and I'm so grateful. Sometimes that's how things turn out, guys. Sometimes, you know, you just need to wait until you find the perfect bag for you. I am super happy. I think I found the perfect summer bag. It's me in a summer bag. And I don't have a bag like that, do I? I don't have a bag like that at all, in that kind of material. No, I don't. Okay guys, so sorry for this long intro. But here we are. Ta 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 ta. Ermanno Scervino. And so it was meant to happen. This bag will bring me so much joy. I'm gonna link everything in the description box below if you wanna go check out Ermanno Scervino as well. Like I said, I hope I don't butcher the name. Are we ready? Are we ready? This, guys, you can transform this bag in a crazy way. So you basically get two bags in one. Okay, let's look at this. Oh, guys, and it is massive. I'll show you modeling shots later. It's a massive bag, but to be honest, it's super lightweight. It was £1,500, so that's absolutely crazy in my opinion. Let me just show you the handles here. The stitching is so gorgeous. Oh my god. Yeah, I will show you later, but look at this. It's such great craftsmanship. I've never come across them. Let me know if you have ever bought anything from this brand. Okay. Oh my god. Hello. Can we see her? I don't want to be in the light. The light's coming from there. So guys, this is the new Romina's perfect summer bag for 2024. And this is called the Maggie. I mean, we all know that the ROW MARGAUX bags are super like hyped at the moment. And I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't know. It's just a very simple bag. Yes, it's very quiet luxury. This, in my opinion, is a very quiet luxury as well. You know. And you pay, what, £7,000 for like the ROW MARGAUX bag? And I'm, yeah, no. Often when I look at bags for like 2 days in a row, the butterflies disappear. So for me, if I know after a couple of weeks time I still have butterflies for a bag, then usually the love lasts longer. So this is a gorgeous version, and like I said, I'll show you modeling shots. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Perfect summer bag, super lightweight. Show you the interior in a moment. So we got this beautiful raffia material. It actually comes with a lock and a key, and I show you later how you can transform this bag. So this is the Ermanno Scervino logo right there, very quiet luxury. And like I said, guys, wait, look at the stitching. God, that is so gorgeously done, no? Same for the back. And yeah, so let's open this baby up. It's a tote, right? The first impression that you get is it's a tote, and yeah, I got lots of stuffing in here. Yeah. You have some leather pieces. It's 100% leather actually. They say it on here. This article has been manufactured with 100% leather, not like certain other brands where we're questioning right now how much percentage of leather is actually in their leather products. So this is 100% leather, and it's gorgeous natural leather with contrast stitching. So you still got the stickers on everywhere. Look at this, how gorgeous it is. So you got one big pocket, you know, where you could put your passport or anything in that you want to zip up. That's a bit more, you can obviously get a bag organizer, and I'm going to try my never full bag organizer in a moment. So the front of the bag also has a piece of leather, but it's not zipped up. You can basically just slide something in there. And then we got the bottom part, and so this is the bag in case you want to wear it like a tote. You see these side bits here. And actually I think it's adjustable, so you can decide how much you want to cinch the bag in. So what you do is you basically connect. Okay, I've done it now for the smallest size. There we can see it. And then you close the bag up and ta-da! It's more like a gorgeous bucket bag then. It's a little bit smaller than obviously, you know, if you don't want to run around with a huge tote. Let me know if you have a beach bag or a summer bag and which one it is. You know, maybe it gives some inspiration to some people who are still looking. Sometimes we have to widen our horizon and not buy only the typical brands. It's a bag at the end of the day. A bag is a bag. It doesn't matter if it's a Chanel bag or an Ermanno Scervino. So I got my never full bag organizer here, and I thought, you know, this is too small because this is literally like a black hole. It's massive, but let's see how that works, and it gives the bag obviously a little bit more structure. Also, I think I would put maybe a jacket in there too, you know, that's gonna give it a little bit more structure. Yeah, perfect. So can we see that? You still got space down there. Ooh. Okay guys, what can I tell you? I am in love. Look at this. Oh, this is the perfect bag for summer, and it's me. It's basically flowers, it's a raffia material, I love the brown leather, the natural leather with the contrast stitching. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I will be wearing it like this. You can wear it as a tote on your shoulder as well. It's a bit wider than a never full, keep that in mind. But also means you can pack more stuff without any issues. I mean, oh, look at this. You know, and then you can just stroll down the beach. So this is the bag just on the crook of my arm. If you're traveling and you're going through an airport, obviously, you know, most people probably put their bags on their shoulder. It's more practical. You can do that for sure. Like I said, it's quite wide. But nonetheless, it's absolutely stunning. I don't know, I love linen material dresses for summer because they're so breathable and just perfect. So I'll be wearing a lot of this kind of stuff anyway. This material is just super nice. And here we are with the gorgeous bag when it's cinched in. I don't know, it's just stunning. And it really looks so well made. It's so well crafted. And you can fit a ton of stuff, guys. Oh god, I'm so happy I discovered this brand and this bag specifically. This is the Maggie. Fun fact, actually, Ermanno Scervino is also making bags forever already. One of their bags is called the Margaux. Go figure. Look at them, and then look at the ROW MARGAUX bag. Yeah, so this brand has existed since 2000, I think. I looked it up, and yeah, so like I said, they make beautiful dresses as well. Go check out all the links if you look for, you know, the perfect summer dress. So yeah. This is the Maggie, but I honestly think it's such a better choice to the ROW MARGAUX bag because this is 1.5 versus 7K, I think. They come in leather as well, they come in lots of other materials, so I think everybody should be able to find something and you get a very quiet luxury bag. Okay guys, I think this is all I wanted to show you. Yes, oh, and let me show you the detail actually. There, that's the logo. So yeah, it's very quiet luxury. And yes guys, I just noticed in the background, well, this is real life, right? This is my bag room. And I noticed in the background that my dust thingy is lying there, and yeah. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And yeah guys, I see you very, very soon. Bye!